This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making pork patties with vinegar sauce. Let's start off with the minced pork. I have here a bowl of minced pork. Grate some ginger over it. Like soy sauce, corn flour, a dash of white pepper, and add 2 tablespoons of water into it. Mix all this really well till the liquid has been absorbed into the pork. You will know that the water has been absorbed when there's no more liquid at the bottom of the bowl. Grab some meat and roll it into a ball. Then flatten it into patties. The patties will be about the size of your palm. Next, let's move on to the sauce. In a bowl, put in 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Sugar, Chinese black vinegar, sesame oil, and some mushroom powder. If you do not have mushroom powder, you can use MSG, or you can leave it out altogether. Corn flour, and 4 tablespoons of water. Stir all this together till all the corn flour has dissolved. Now to cook the patties. Heat up your frying pan over a medium heat. When the pan is hot, add in some oil. When the oil is hot, add in the patties. Fry all the patties till they are brown at the bottom. It will take about 2 minutes or so. Then flip them over and fry the other side. My pan does not brown the patties evenly, so just move the patties around. When the patties are brown on the other side, your patties are cooked. The best way to tell if the patties are cooked through is to cut one open in the center and to see if it's cooked. Mine's no longer pink, so it's done. When your patties are done, remove them. Now, in the same pan, Pour off any excess oil. Bring your pan back to the heat and turn your heat to low. Pour in the sauce. As the sauce boils, it would thicken up because of the cornstarch. Once it has thickened up, you can turn off the heat. Bring all your patties back into the pan and toss to coat. Once they are coated with the sauce, we are done. This is pork patties with vinegar sauce.